Hey everyone, it's me, Jasmine. Enjoy! Hey everyone, it's Jasmine. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a sardellas mukbang. You're welcome, baby. I got my Dr. Pepper. I also got a water bottle because I am so dehydrated. So I definitely need some water too. I got my napkins. Got my ranch. Sardellas pizza has seriously the best ranch of life. It's so creamy, it's not thick, it's perfect. And you guys, I'm so starving because I honestly haven't ate anything all day today. And I don't know why. Could have played junk food. But I got my ranch. See, it's pretty creamy. Yeah, pretty creamy. Put this right there. I got my pizza. And then, of course, spicy suicide hot wings. My favorite. Super hot, but so good, you guys. Let me go ahead and drink some water first. Yummy. They have the best pizza. You know how most pizza places are super thick or super thin? This is perfect. Not too thick, not too thin. The only thing is they do put a lot of cheese on it, so I always ask for it well done, and they didn't give it to me well done, but it's okay. And I added some jalapenos because of course you guys know I like everything spicy. Mouth is watery right now. Look at that. Yummy. The jalapeno. Oh. You're welcome. Best bread ever. So, thank you to all of my new subscribers and of course my old subscribers. I think I am moving up there pretty fast. I've only had my YouTube for a month and 2.5 weeks. And I already have 107 subscribers, I believe. So yeah, if you're watching this, subscribe to my channel and join the rest of us. I wasn't going to do a video today, you guys, because I had a headache all day. I woke up this morning and I decided I wanted to go for a hike. Because I haven't really worked out or anything. Let's try this hot wing. You're welcome. So, I wanted to go because we haven't really worked out. I haven't really worked out. Look, my sister and my cousin. It was pretty fun. I'm not gonna eat that part because look, it has that brown in it. That one was a weird one. It was super fun and it had the perfect breeze out today. It wasn't hot. And surprisingly, I made it all the way to the top. Whenever going hiking, it was pretty good. I always drink so much water, you guys. I love water. It's the best. Cheese is so thick. That's the only thing that I don't like about sardellas pizza. Have you guys tried sardellas pizza? Let me know down below. What's your favorite pizza and what do you guys get on your pizza? Jalapeno, ranch. So, apologize for the way I look because I just got out of the shower because I had like a huge headache, so like I was delaying my shower and I kind of like took a nap. But I think when I go outdoors in the heat, especially if it's so hot, I start getting headaches. But I took 2 Advil, so I don't finally eat, so it should be better. I can eat these wings like crazy.
Thank you, Doctor.
Look at that. They have the best wings ever because these ones are so hot. So if you don't like hot food or hot things, you should probably get like the medium wings. But you should definitely try Sardella's wings because they have like, I don't know, it's just the perfect amount of skin and the meat inside together. Because like Little Caesars pizza and wings, I don't care for their wings because like the chicken's like too thick and I don't like that. Because as I described in one of my other videos, I like more of like the skin rather than with the chicken. That makes sense. Okay, time to drink some of my soda finally. I want to drink more water because of my headache, you know? But I just want to say thank you to everyone. You're welcome. I just want to say thank you to everyone who's been commenting on my videos and liking them and subscribing to my channel. You guys are all being so nice and commenting really nice things and being super supportive. So I appreciate it. And I'm very supportive too, so like if you guys are like, oh, subscribe to my channel, I'll definitely subscribe back. We should support each other. But if you're new to my channel, I'm Jasmine. Subscribe to my channel, like my video, comment down below, and press that little bell to turn on post notifications. Okay. My daughter's right here. She's so cute. Hi, Mama. My daughter and my son are right here. Hold on, I'm eating. Go finish your food. These are starting to get hot for me. But I think I had 1, 2 so far. How many do you think how many do you guys think that I will eat? Like, I love hot food. The reason why I like hot food, spicy foods, is because it makes you want to eat more. I already feel my headache going away. You wrestle with me?
Yeah.
Okay. My son is joining us for dinner. So, how was your guys' day? What did you guys do today? Did you guys work? Did you stay home? Did you go to the gym? Did you go shopping? What did you do? Okay. 1 pizza down. 3 wings down. Baby, bring me another pizza, please. And is there another ranch right there or no? Is there another ranch over there? Okay, thank you. Yummy. You guys want to see how the pizza looks? That could be my thumbnail. So like when I was younger, I used to that little white table in there. Me and my sister would so fight for that like all the freaking time. Alright, you guys. So I went and got me another pizza. So I got half jalapenos on it, and then I just got half regular with just pepperoni for my kids. And then I got, well, I still have another wing right there, but I brought the wings so you guys could see how it looks. It looks so good. And it's so saucy. Look at all that. Yummy. Ooh, keep spilling it. So I'm gonna leave this right here because I know I'm definitely gonna dig in for some more wings. Yes. The ranches need to be bigger though. They have like the best ranch. I wish my $8 I feel like I'm eating at a buffet because I ate so much of their wings and pizza. I'm just taking the cheese off because it's so thick. So it seems like you guys really enjoyed my question and answer video. I definitely got a lot of comments. So that's good. If you're consistent on your YouTube page, you'll definitely gain subscribers. Try to be very active, communicate with people, engage with people. That's what I do. But consistency is definitely key to getting more subscribers. It's a little bit thick, but so I will only eat the wings. I will not eat the legs. They gross me out for some reason because they're super thick. Do you guys like the wings or the legs? Break. Oh, break. Oh, damn. So good, you guys. You guys want a pizza and some wings? You guys can have, I have 4 wings left. Should I eat them all? Should I? Alright. When I was younger, I would literally take everything off and just eat it like that. If I don't leave my pepperonis on there, the only reason I'm taking off the cheese is because I said it a million times, because the cheese is too thick. So I really want to do like one of those challenges where you eat a certain amount of food. I mean, a certain color, you only eat that color foods for a whole 24 hours. Oh, they have like other challenges out there that I've been wanting to try, but I haven't got to it yet. Which one should I drink right now? I'll finish the water. So good, guys. More ranch. Not the best ranch. More a thin one. Look at them. Look how saucy, you guys. So saucy. So yesterday we watched a movie on Redbox. It was called Miss Bala. I don't know if you guys ever seen it, but it was so good. It's about what cartels and stuff. And these friends, like, they get taken and get into like drug trafficking. It's so good, you guys. So if you need something to watch, and you guys have nothing to watch, go to Redbox and get that movie. Because it's bomb. How good that looks. Feels so much better, you guys, now that I'm finally showered. I'm eating. After this, I can just finally relax some more. Well, obviously after I clean up. Wow. Dipping that with some ranch, yummy. So release my daughter. There you go. God, I'm on fire. These are suicide wings. The hottest wings ever. It's just like me before this video. I was like, pizza coming, I'm starving. Da, 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 da. And now I'm just like, Okay. I'm gonna do one more wing, so then I'll eat a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wings. Well, if I eat another one, that'd be 7 wings. Plus 2 pizzas. When it comes to Sardella's wings, boy, I can eat that. When it comes to anyone else's wings, like I can't eat a lot. I probably eat like 3 or 4 because then I start getting like grossed out. But I never get grossed out from these unless they're like the legs. My nose is running, you guys. I always think to like see stuff in my food and then I'm just like, never mind. So happy I love food. Sorry guys, I always get interrupted. Like earlier my brother called and I feel bad, but I declined it. And when my dad just called, and of course I had to answer it because then he would have been like, well, he wouldn't say anything, but he'd start like worrying, you know? And how parents worry. Especially my dad, he worries for everything. Even though I don't live with him, but still. I need more ranch. Can you like refill yourself? Thank you. I'm definitely a ranch girl. That's okay, I just finished that wing. My nose is like running so bad. Today is natural face, guys. Sorry, I try to like get ready for my videos, but majority of the time I look like this. So I'm just gonna go how I really look. Unless like I get ready for that day and then I just like record myself, you know. I'm going for it. By the time I'm done with this, I'm gonna have like dripping down all the way to my chin. It's starting to be hot. I think it's dummy to just like bite into it like that. My eyes are starting to water. I'm still trying to get ranch out of here. You guys probably start seeing my nose running. Oh my gosh, horrible. It's hot. Well, if you guys can see how hot it is. Like spicy hot. So worth it. It's a good thing my fiance loves spicy food too. gotta go wash my hands, you guys. My mouth is on fire. Oh, I hope you guys enjoyed that because I really wanted to eat dinner with you guys. Mouth is burning. If you guys enjoyed that video, give my video a thumbs up, comment down below, turn on post notifications, and subscribe to my channel. Bye, everyone.